win the speed. Through the middle, this is excellent technique. I mean, it just doesn't get much better than this. Upper body queen, that's what the judges are looking for. Very well balanced. But when you're going a little slower, it's easier to look good.
So Jesper Bjornlund awaiting his fate in the scoring. Will it be enough to put him onto the podium for the time being?
I don't think so. I was surprised.
And he goes into fourth place, 25.12. So no medal for Jesper Bjornlund and Sweden in this competition. Still to come, Dale Ben Smith, the defending champion born in Vancouver, now skiing for Australia. We return to Cypress Mountain.
For years, Papa John's has been telling us they have better ingredients, better pizza. But when challenged in this court, they stated their slogan is puffery. What's puffery? Scott, you're aware?
Puffery, an exaggerated statement based on opinion, not fact.
Here's what's not puffery. Our new hand-tossed sausage, extra cheese, and pepperoni pizzas just beat Papa John's in a national taste test. And to celebrate, we're offering 2